Here's a quick tutorial on how to embed some pictures from other websites onto your site using your control panel. We're going to work with the service times page and add a picture to the bottom of it. We'll jump to the control panel, and we have a link here: advanced text, area code, snippets, and tips. You can also get there by clicking resources, and it has another link inside there. But basically, this page right here shows you a lot of little things you can copy and paste and use to make your site kind of neat. So we're going to use an embedded image from another website, and what we need to change is this information right here. Starts with the HTTP and ends with the quotations. We're going to replace that information and then paste it into your website, and it'll show. And what I've done is opened up a picture on a Picasa web album. You may recognize these folks, I don't know, but anyway, just as this page has an address up here, each picture has its own address and location on the web. So we're going to right click on this picture and go down. We don't want to save the picture to the hard drive. We don't really just want to copy it and paste it in there. We want to point to where it's at. We point to its address. To copy, the shortcut would work to get our information, except it's been disabled. So what I'm going to do is go down to properties, show me the properties of the picture. Excuse me. And with that, I'll see this address, the URL of the picture, and I'm just going to copy this information. Starts with the HTTP. Be sure that you get all of it, and notice that there's a third line, so I have to drag on down to make sure I get it all. I'm going to right click on top of that, copy it, close this, jump back to my control panel, and I've already got this area that I want to replace selected, so I'm just going to right click on the blue part and paste it, and it made a whole new series of information for me. Take note right here that we have a width attribute, and it's going to come into play in a minute. So I'm going to highlight all this information, make sure you get it all, right click on it, copy it, jump over back up to my text area that I want to edit, which is the services, and I'm just going to put a picture at the bottom of it just to make it easy. We're already down here. I'll space down a time or two, and I'm going to paste this in there. Oops. Right click inside the box, get your cursor in there, right click inside the box and give you the option to paste. Paste it, click update, jump back to the website, hit F5 to refresh the page, and we'll see the picture down here. Now it's a little smaller than I want, so I'm going to go back and adjust the width of it a little bit. Going back to my control panel, I'm going to reopen this information that I've got in here, and I'm going to change this little width attribute down here, and I'm going to say it's in pixels across, and we want it to be more little dots across. I'm going to say 400. I think your whole width of your content area is about 550, something like that. So this will be pretty good size. We'll do this, go back to the actual web page itself and refresh it, and we'll see if the picture is much bigger now. So that's how you add pictures by using the embed function to your website.